What's up, gamers? This is iFeature. We look into today's plugin called Chroma from Speechrezz, Nasko, and Speechrezz, and I actually put it in one of my songs, and I'm pretty excited to show you because it's really special for all the kind of color-based type stuff, or anything you want to put into like really beautiful sounds which should sound colorful and stuff. And this is the plugin directly. If you look into it, like Speechrezz did like the program in DSP and design. I mean, you can read it. Speechrezz design and marketing, and Nasko DSP and design, which is pretty sweet and sick. I really like the design. The design is really comfortable, easy to use, and yeah, I've nothing to think about it. If I just look at the first time, it really pretty simple. You have zero latency here. You can set it to high quality if you want to change the sound even to a better quality. Makes sense. You have the color knob, which you can turn it off to 0 or to even 200% up if you want even more color. I would call it color to your sound. And let me just introduce that like without, like, I'm gonna play you this song from that.
Found my way, all it takes, felt the pain, take it to the grave, and all that's fades, number takes, take my hand, make me feel awake, try until all else fades, let me push myself until I can feel.
And you can tell, I mean, this is like a kind of old Skrillex kind of vibe song, right? And I did that out of fun, just on purpose. And I want to make these bass sounds now a little bit more colorful, and let's see how it's going to sound with Chroma. I'm kind of excited. So I just put Chroma on it, and then what I did is selected these keys. You can set it up already like in the beginning. When you select here the scale, you can change it from natural, like, I don't know what that is, like a star thing, natural, pentatonic, and pyrogen dominant. And you can change also by clicking these directly, and it's like changing the key for that. You can like set up your own scale into that. And I think you can tell me whatever, but I think this is really cool. You can like, of course I did it now on the whole bass group, but you can like literally choose which bass should have this kind of sound. And of course you could do it also for the whole bass group. I mean, it's, for me, it sounds super fine. Even in the settings, you have the setting to like before it gets to Chroma, so the sound gets detuned, or you tune it after Chroma. So that means it gets like post detuned. That means if you play around here, I would say like it kind of has like a format-ish kind of vibe. If you like change it, the type of like it stays in key, but you can change like the kind of format of it, I would say. And if you put in post, you have it like a normal detune. And you can fine tune it if you have like a specific key which is like not perfectly on key, and you need to fine tune it a little bit, which is pretty cool and a nice idea from them. And I think wet gain is just like make the signal a little bit louder. Yeah. So you get like extra if you want that. But yeah, I think that's basically it. You have also like how much, or like where you want to appear that color sound. Oh, that's really cool. That's really cool. And everything else is get bypassed if you like a low cut and high cut filter. And with double click, it returns back to the original, which is pretty sick. It even has a MIDI function, so that means you can route different MIDIs and put your own chords and play, and literally it's gonna, what I expect, directly play this in the right key what you play. And I think I want to try that. Let's just try it out. Let's just, I don't know, let's make some random shit right now. Let's see if it's gonna play that. All right, and then I'm gonna route this to the bass group. Bass. Chroma, there we go, let's see. And then MIDI. It got, see? That's what I mean, it does it, which is pretty sick. Let's see if we also put it, oops, sorry, there we go. So you can really like play around with it. That means you can even, oh yeah, I need to activate that. You can literally play live also to it. That's so sick. Shout out to the boys who made this plugin. And yeah, that is my review to that. I have to say though, I got not sponsored for this video, so I just did that because I think the plugin is really sick and you should like support these guys. Well, bye bye. That was everything from my side.